Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fudge cookies, full guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line 2 baking sheets. Cream butter and sugar until light, then add eggs and vanilla. Fold in dry ingredients and chocolate chips, being careful not to overmix. Scoop dough evenly and chill briefly for thicker cookies. Bake 9 to 12 minutes until edges set, then cool on racks before serving. Start by gathering ingredients and equipment, then measure everything carefully for consistent results. Soften butter to room temperature and level your measuring cups for flour. Sift cocoa powder to prevent lumps and whisk dry ingredients together in a separate bowl. Add chocolate chips last to keep them from melting into the dough. Chill the formed dough for at least 20 minutes if you want thicker. Chew your cookies with defined edges. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes a great kitchen companion for timers, hands-free control, and upbeat baking playlists. Check the description to find the Echo Dot link and other deals that can streamline your baking routine. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Use an oven thermometer to maintain an exact temperature and place racks in the center. Space scoops at least 2 inches apart so cookies expand without sticking. Watch closely during the last 2 minutes to avoid overbaking. Centers should look slightly underdone for soft chew. Allow cookies to set on the pan a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack, which helps maintain crisp edges and tender interiors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.